got the Galaxy Z Flip 8, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to regain access to your phone in case you've forgotten your password, PIN, or pattern. Now, of course, with a password, you can easily get into your phone, but let's say you've forgotten your password and you've tried every password that you think is your password and you still can't get into your phone, then here's how to regain or how to bypass that password. Now, to do that, we're going to have to hard reset the phone and then set it all up again. But you're going to need the Google account that was on the phone before the hard reset. You're going to need to sign in with that Google account, right? So first step is to hard reset the phone. And to hard reset the Galaxy Z Flip 8, you need a computer and a USB cable. So connect the USB cable to the phone and the other end of that USB cable to your computer. The computer could be a Windows computer, it could be a Mac, a Linux computer, it doesn't really matter. So what's going to happen is the phone is going to start charging. Now you can see it's still locked, so you don't have access to the phone. So what you need to do is first shut down the phone. So you're going to do that by long pressing the power and volume down buttons. And as soon as the phone goes off, then quickly switch to volume up while still holding the power button. And then as soon as you see the Samsung logo, let go of the power button and continue holding volume up, and that should put the phone in recovery mode. So let's do that together. So power, volume down, all right? Press and hold, let's go. There you go. Just ignore whatever you see on the screen because you're gonna need a password to turn it off. So just ignore that. Phone goes dark, I'll switch to volume up. Samsung logo appears. I'll let go of the power button and continue holding the volume up button, and that's going to put the phone in recovery mode, as you can see. Now inside recovery mode, you scroll with the volume rockers, so volume down to scroll down and volume up to scroll up. So what you need to do is scroll until the wipe data / factory reset option is highlighted, and then press the power button to select it, and then scroll down again to factory data reset, and then select with the power button, and that's going to hard reset your Galaxy Z Flip 8. It's going to wipe all your data. So you can see data wipe complete. So once the data wipe is complete, you can now reboot the system, and it should take you back to the original setup screen where you can set up your phone afresh. So now that you're back to the setup screen, let's quickly set up this phone. So go choose your language, tap OK, tap on start. You have to agree to the end user license agreement and privacy policy, hit agree. Now on this step, it's important not to select this or this, because if you select this or this, you might need a password to get into your data. So what you want to do is set up manually. So I'm going to select setup manually. Now it's already warning me that an unauthorized attempt has been made to reset your device to factory default settings. So I'm going to click OK, connect to a Wi-Fi network. And with the Wi-Fi connected, it's going to now take me to the next step where I'll be preparing for mobile connection. Now it's going to prompt me to set up my mobile network, either by scanning a QR code to set up an eSIM, or maybe to insert a SIM card if you have a physical SIM slot on your phone. So I'm going to skip this, and then it's going to take me to the next step, getting your phone ready. So let's just wait for this. Who are you setting up your phone for? For myself. And now this is a crucial part. This is a part I wanted you to see, because this is a part where it asks for your password. Your phone was factory reset, draw a pattern to unlock it. Now this is because we did a hard reset and not the normal factory reset. So they just want to make sure the phone is yours. So since the reason why we reset this phone is because we did not remember the password, you're going to use our Google account instead. So select use Google account instead. And since we are connected to Wi-Fi, we should be able to log in with our Google account and verify that we are the owners of this phone. So log into the same Google account that was on the phone before the hard reset. And then hit next. Enter your Google account password and log in. Now, once you log in and you're allowed to log in, now you'll be asked if you want to sign in to your Google account to continue using that Google account, or you can now sign into the Google account you want to switch to. But this time, since you've already verified we're the owners, you'll have the option to skip. Now, before this option was not here, but now that we've verified we're the owners, we can now skip that part and continue the normal process of setting up our phone. So I'm just going to speed through this section here. Just keep skipping everything. Later, skip, accept. And now, as you can see, we have regained access back to our phone. It's really that simple. Now you can now go ahead and set up a new password, lock screen password or pattern, and it should be good to go. The most important thing is you've regained access. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.